Hi everyone and welcome to EduLive. So today in this video we are having the workbook answer of your award of artifice chapter. So start with MCQ question. So answer of first is A, second is D part, third is C option, fourth is B part, fifth answer is C, sixth is B part, and then answer of seventh is A, eighth answer is A, ninth is D option, tenth answer is D part. Then let's move to 11th C, 12th D, answer of 13th is B part, 14th answer is B part, 15 is B part. So let's move to comprehension passages. So first passage, answer 1. Now the bonsai is a small decorative tree that is grown in a pot. It is prevented from reaching its normal size. In the poem, it stands for a woman oppressed and suppressed in a male dominated society. Now second answer. It could have grown fully outside in nature on the side of a mountain. It could have grown there up to 8 feet high. Its branches continue to be pruned. It prevents its growth. Now third answer. The gardener stands for a man, a lover or a husband in the poem. He continues to prune the bonsai tree and doesn't let it grow. He believes that it has to remain small and weak to look attractive.
तो हमारे पास है यहाँ पे बायोलॉजी की क्वेश्चन बैंक बुक। तो ये आईसीएससी क्लास 10th की ओसवाल पब्लिकेशन की बायोलॉजी की बुक है और इस बुक में आप देख सकते हो कि प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन दी गई है हर चैप्टर की। तो इस चैप्टर नंबर 1 में हम देख सकते हैं कि इसमें प्रॉपर बताया गया कि वर्ड ऑफ एडवाइस, कॉमन एरर्स मेड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स जो आपको अवॉइड करने हैं, ठीक है। उसके साथ साथ अब यहाँ पे प्रॉपर हर चैप्टर का डीप डिस्कशन है। जैसे कि सबसे पहले एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं हर चैप्टर के लिए, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है विच स्टेटमेंट इज़ ट्रू फॉर बोथ क्रोमोजेम्स एंड जीन्स, ठीक है। तो ये ऑप्शंस दिए गए और उसके साथ साथ आपको आगे चलेंगे तो आपको हर चैप्टर की प्रॉपर आंसर दिए गए हैं कि ऑप्शन बी ईच में बी कॉपीड एंड पास्ड ऑन ड्यूरिंग माइटोसिस, ठीक है। तो मतलब प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन भी बताया गया कि वाई ये स्टेटमेंट सही है, ठीक है। और उसके साथ साथ आपको नेम द फॉलोइंग, ठीक है, गिव टेक्निकल टर्म्स ट्रू एंड फॉल्स, स्टेट देयर लोकेशन, एक्सप्लेन द टर्म्स, मैच द कॉलम, अरेंज एंड रीराइट देम, ठीक है, चूज़ द ऑड वन आउट। मतलब जो आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में सभी टाइप के जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं वो सब कवर किए गए हैं और उनके प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन दिए गए कि इसका आंसर क्या है। शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन, स्केच एंड लेबल, गिव रीजंस, ठीक है, हर चीज़ है। उसके साथ साथ डायग्राम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन भी हैं और लॉन्ग आंसर भी हैं, ठीक है। और ये इन सभी के आपको प्रॉपर आंसर भी मिलेंगे हर चैप्टर के और ये हर चैप्टर के साथ है और उसके साथ सभी चैप्टर्स के डीप एक्सप्लेनेशन दी गई है इसी सेम फॉर्मेट में। तो अगर आपको ये बुक अच्छी लग रही है तो इसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी, उसमें जाके आप ये बुक परचेस कर सकते हो ओसवाल पब्लिकेशन की, ठीक है।
Now fourth answer. The bonsai tree is not allowed to grow to its full potential deliberately. In the poem, it stands for a woman like the bonsai tree. Woman in male-dominated world is prevented from growing and showing her capabilities fully. She is made to accept her subordinate position by keeping her comfort confined to the four walls of her home. And now fifth answer. The main idea projected in the poem is that if anything or anybody is not allowed to grow, it will remain underdeveloped and weak. This is true in the case of bonsai tree and a woman in the male dominated society. Okay, now passage to first answer. The function of the gardener is to prune the branches of the bonsai tree to keep it small and attractive. The gardener, as a symbol of dominated male, prevents the growth of the woman, thus thus keeping her under his control. It is regressive and harmful for the woman and society in general. Now, second answer. The gardener speaks in a happy and condescending tone. We think the gardener is an arrogant and dominating person. Third answer. The gardener is wrong in the sense that everything and everybody has the right to grow. To keep something or somebody deliberately underdeveloped is definitely wrong. Now, fourth answer. The last two lines suggest that in a male dominated world, man feels self satisfied in his wrong belief that woman is by nature weak, small, and domesticated, and that she should accept her position as such. And now fifth answer. The word croons means to sing quietly in a happy mood. It implies that the man represented by the gardener is happy and self-satisfied by keeping his woman weak and underdeveloped. Now passage 3. First answer. The speaker is a gardener who stands for a domineering male and the bonsai tree is being addressed. The tree represents suppressed women in a male dominated society. Okay, now second answer. In the metaphorical context of the poem, the poet comes to represent the limited space allowed to women to operate. A woman has to lead much of her life in the limited space of her home. Okay, now third answer. Men condition women to accept their subordinate position in society. They prevail upon her to accept that she is weak by nature, born to do domestic chores. Thus, they prevent her natural growth. Now, fourth answer. The last two lines are ironic. They convey the idea that conditioning of women to accept their servility should begin quite early so that they come to accept their role easily and naturally. Okay, now fifth answer. Women play the stereotypical role as decoration pieces by making themselves look attractive to men and do everything to please them. They are tricked to perform this role by making them accept that they are weak, small, and domesticated by nature. Okay, now passage 4. Women in male domesticated world is referred to her. Earlier, the focus was on the bonsai tree. There is thus clear shift in the poem here. The bonsai tree we come to know stands for the woman who is prevented from her normal growth. Okay, now second answer. In some cultures like the Japanese, women's feet were bound to keep them small and look pretty. The binding of feet here symbolizes limiting the woman's opportunities to grow. Okay, now third answer. Women are made to look attractive to please men, as also to keep them under delusion that their prime duty is to look pretty and attractive. Okay, fourth answer. Men do everything to limit the physical, mental, and spiritual growth of women. Ironically, they look to women for loving and healing touch. Without women, they feel small and limited. Okay, now fifth answer. The poet seems to lament the fact that the women accept their subordinate role in society willingly and even cheerfully. She expects women to realize their potentialities and break all mental shackles which prevent their growth. So this is all about this chapter. If you have enjoyed this video, just make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks.